In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an online course on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let me take you through this process step by step so you can get your online course set up and ready to go. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new here, you can easily create an account, and it's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to get signed up. Once you're logged in and looking at your Gumroad dashboard, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in today is the Products category. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage your products effortlessly. Now, it's time to create your first product. You'll see a button that says something like, Add a Product. Click on that. When you do, you'll want to give your course a compelling name. Think of something that encapsulates what your course is about and is enticing enough to catch a potential buyer's eye. Once you've got that settled, you'll need to select the type of product you're offering. Since we're focusing on an online course, you'll want to select Digital Product. This is crucial as it allows you to upload your content online. Next up is pricing your product. This part can feel daunting, but think about what similar courses are selling for and set a price that feels right for the value you're providing. It could be a fixed amount, or you might consider a pay-what-you-want model, which allows your audience to choose their price. Once you've decided on a price, click the Next button to proceed. Now we're moving into the customization phase. Here's where you really get to showcase your course. First, you'll need to write a detailed description. This is key. Your description should outline what students can expect, what skills they'll gain, and why your course is valuable. Be personal and passionate here. Your excitement can help entice buyers. Along with your description, Gumroad allows you to upload a cover image or thumbnail for your product. This visual is essential. It's the first impression prospective students will have of your course. Make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to the course material. If you don't have a professional design, consider using tools like Canva, which offers user-friendly options for creating fantastic visuals. After you've filled in your course name, price, description, and uploaded your image, it's time to save and continue. Congratulations! You're one step closer to selling your course. Now, the fun part comes. Uploading the actual files of your course content. Choose the appropriate files you want to provide. This can be video lectures, PDFs, exercises, or any other relevant materials. Simply click to upload these files, and once they're uploaded, you're almost done. Before you publish, take a moment to preview everything. Make sure all the information and files are correct. Once you're happy with everything, look for a button or an option that says Publish. Click that, and voila! Your course is now live on Gumroad, ready for eager students to discover. Once your course is live, don't forget to market it. Share it on social media, create an email campaign, or even consider collaborations to spread the word. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to sell an online course on Gumroad. Remember, perseverance and passion are key. Keep refining your product and engaging with your audience, and you're sure to find success. Thanks for watching, and again, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking it.